Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we'll be talking about a South Park Adidas collaboration done on the Adidas Campus 80s, and these are known as the Towelies. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today, we're going to be talking about a re-release on a sneaker I missed out on the first time around. These are the South Park collaboration done on the Adidas Campus 80s, and these are known as the Towelies. First, we'll start with the overview. Then we'll talk about size and fit, followed by how I styled this really fun, quirky sneaker. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. Once again, this was a re-release on a highly anticipated 420 sneaker. If you are a South Park fan like myself, you have to grab a pair of these. I am absolutely obsessed. These are so quirky, so fun, and so different. This is such a cool kind of periwinkle colorway that covers the entirety of the sneaker almost in this towel-like shaggy material. It's so soft. I feel like I could pet this all day. And then we have a beautiful matching lace that just blends quite nicely. But the best part about this is Towelie's cute little eyes here. So these are actually UV activated. So when they are in the sun, he gets super veiny and shows what a stoner would typically look like. It does come actually with this cute keychain that's also UV activated. So his eyes will definitely change colors as well. So you get that nice veiny effect. I did take these out in the light so you'll be able to see what these look like both ways, but when this is not in the sun, it's just a simple, plain, clean white eye. If you don't know the character in South Park, Towelie, he is a character that is quite funny. When he is in the show, he's always smoking a joint and always asking any of the characters in South Park if they want to get high with him, and he always typically needs to be doing something but is not really able to accomplish anything on the show. So he is one of the cutest, funniest characters. As we work our way to the side panels, the three stripes are in a clean white. Again, just more of that Towelie material. Adidas is on the back in that same purple hue. You do see the interior with South Park and Adidas's dual branding there. And then we've got that nice leather interior, which is also in that nice periwinkle pink. The lace tips also have a nice yellow tip to them. And then we've got, don't forget to bring a towel on the back, which is what he always says. Nice, fun, quirky saying. And this actually has a Velcro pouch in here. So you've got a stash pocket hidden in there. The midsole is completed in just a white colorway, and then the outsole is also in a simplistic white, which will finish off the sneaker. As far as the box goes, you do get a special edition box. Of course, it's got the main characters in South Park, and it's got just that typical cartoon graphics that you would see on the show. So what better than to have a perfect matching South Park box with this Adidas collaboration. All right, let's take a look at all those last and final details. So as far as size and fit goes, I stuck true size on this one. I am a 7.5. If you do have higher narrow feet like myself, definitely stick true size. But if you do have flatter or wider feet, that could differentiate something opposite from my own, since we have different types of feet. All right, so now let's jump into styling. What a fun purple color scheme. I guess it's more of a periwinkle in my opinion. But for this, I decided to definitely go with some purple hues. For the first look, I decided to wear a striped blue and white collared shirt underneath a purple toned sweater, and I wore just some simple cargo pants with that, and they were satin with an olive tone to them. Then for the second look, I decided to wear a purple sweater with a mini skirt. And then for the last and final look, I wore a button-down collared shirt in blue and white. And for the bottoms, I wore just some simple khaki pants. So you let me know down below, what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these? With how these are currently doing on the resale market. So again, this was a re-release, so the price definitely did drop a bit, but these retailed $100 and they're currently going between $115 to $190. All right, everybody. Hopefully you're a South Park fan and you were able to snag a pair of these. Definitely hit me in the chat if you were able to grab these. But that's it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Ho. We'll catch you on the next episode.